There's one secret weapon that everybody has access to, and it can really change the way that you approach success, not only in your personal life, but also in your business life. So if you want to take your big idea to a whole new level, you're going to want to stay tuned to this edition of Vision is Success TV. If you're ever out networking and you run across a successful business owner, what's the one thing that you want to do? You want to ask them what their secret to success is. Now, I have a lot of people that ask me that very specific question, and one of the things that I always like to mention to them is you have access to a very powerful tool that you can use for free in some cases, and in some cases it's going to cost you just a very tiny amount of money. What is that secret weapon? Well, it happens to be books. Now, books are something that is truly amazing because usually when a person achieves success, they head out and they actually write their story down. They take all of their knowledge, they take everything that they've learned, and they put it into one condensed blueprint or one step-by-step formula that will tell you a little tiny piece of their road, their pathway to success. Now, what makes that so great is there are literally thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of paths of step-by-step strategies that can help lead you to success. So let's say you want to find out a little bit about Facebook, or you want to find a little bit about creating a business plan, or even a little bit about how to start up a concept, how to start up your big idea in the first place. No matter what you want to achieve, there's already someone that's been there and done that. And the answer lies in a great book. Now, you can get a great book literally from anywhere. You can head to your local library and you can get them for free. What can be better than that? You can head to the bookstore and you can find a ton of things. And I know you've gone through and searched through Amazon more than a time or two, especially if you're like me, where I literally have it on a tab and I'm over there almost on a daily basis, looking up reference ideas and coming up with a whole host of ideas for potential big ideas or potential business opportunities. The great thing is you no longer even have to have books. You can store it all in your Kindle or in your iPad or whatever type of tablet, or even your smartphone. Whatever you have, you can have those tools instantly available and with you at all points. Now, the thing that I even like more about the Kindle now is you can highlight the very specific parts that really mean something to you today, and you can review them very quickly. Again, what can be better than that? To have a mentor almost in your side pocket waiting to offer you advice whenever you choose to do so. So now, how do you find the greatest books that are out there, things that you're going to want to use in your own pathway to success? Well, obviously you can start with the tools that already exist, like Amazon. Amazon constantly has a wide variety of lists of not only the top sellers today, but the top sellers in genres, and people can make lists on their own. So you can get a wide variety of ideas that way. You can also search from your favorite business person. A lot of people create their own successful business lists. I've listed books throughout my website and on my About Us page, and you can even go over to my Pinterest account where I have my favorite books, and I've listed probably 50, 60, 70 different books out there that I've enjoyed reading and that have meant something to me. When you find these lists, make sure that you create a list yourself of things that you want to read and that you want to learn from. Because again, by having these as your tool, you are literally creating your own step-by-step blueprint on your pathway to success. And if you want your big idea to come true, there's no better way to do it than with a book. Now, if you liked this episode of Vision to Success TV, I welcome you to sign up right here, where every single week I provide a video tip just like this, a blog tip to help you on your journey to creating your big idea into something more. And I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.